Uno bucò, allora bucò bene. Non c'è perché io non
This is how some local Sicilian people spend their leisure time here in Sicily. You have seen some playing cards. Those are the specific Sicilian cards. Those people were playing briscola in cinque. It's a very interesting game where fortune makes no sense. It's only your skills. And this is Mondello beach, one of the most popular beaches in Italy, one of the largest sandy beaches in Sicily, and as you can see, it's full of local people and a lot of tourist people. The mountain behind me with this particular shape is Mount Pellegrino. This is where we have the sanctuary of Saint Rosalia, our patron saint. She lived her last years of her life in a cave like a hermit. And if you are beach lovers, Mondello Beach and many other beaches in Sicily can be included in your custom private tour of Sicily. It will be available all year round according to your specific needs and passions. So, thanks for watching and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!